Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to file third-party information in TAMIS. Before employees, pensioners, and self-employed persons file their income tax returns every April, there is important information uploaded to the filing website on their behalf. This information is called third-party information, and there are several examples of this. One such example is that if you are an employer, you are required to file a form detailing the amount of money you paid each of your employees and the amount of tax or PAYE that you deducted over the course of the entire previous year. For this, you file the PAYE reconciliation form. Another main example of third-party information is when a person, business, or institution has paid independent contractors such as attorneys, customs brokers, accountants, designers, building contractors, freighters, and many other professions for a service or good. The person or business is required to file a goods and services form reporting the amount they paid that professional for their service during that specific year. The final common example of third-party filing is when private pension companies report the amount of pension that they want to remit to pensioners by using the pension form. To start your third-party filing, simply log into your TAMIS account and click Add Return, and then choose the form you want to file. For this example, we will choose the PAYE reconciliation because we want to report the salaries paid to employees. Select the year the salaries were paid and click Create Return. Then select your preferred option of filing. There are two simple ways to file a third-party return. The first method is using an e-filing form already in TAMIS. For this method, you will type in the information one line at a time. This approach is better for businesses or institutions who do not have many persons on whose behalf to upload. Click the pencil icon for the PAYE reconciliation breakdown and put in the tax identification number of the employee, total remuneration paid, start date of their employment, and all other relevant details that pertains to them. Save it. If you have more employees, just go ahead and continue to add and save the information for each employee until you are finished. Then either save it as a draft if you expect to upload information for more employees, or submit it once you are satisfied. The second method is using bulk e-filing. For this, either download the convenient Microsoft Excel template or the XML schema from the BRA website, put in your relevant information, and then upload the saved Excel file to TAMIS. Click Next and review the upload summary which has been populated for you. Then either save it as a draft or submit it if you are ready to file. For both methods, just before submitting, you are required to declare that the information you are filing is true to your knowledge. After submission, you will receive a confirmation of the details you filed. In most cases, if you are filing and paying the monthly PAYE with the Upload Excel file specifically for monthly PAYE, there will be no outstanding payment. However, in some instances, there may be a payment required. If a payment is required, click Pay Now and complete your electronic payment advice before making a payment.